Okay, I'm going to show you how you can make screencasts with Screencast-O-Matic and upload them to YouTube and then link that to a Seesaw activity. So I'll do my best to kind of walk you through that so you know what to do. So the first thing I'm going to do is I just go to screencastomatic.com. I have an account. I have an account that I paid $20 for an entire year, but you can get a free account too. So you can record for free. So everything I'm doing, you should be able to do in the free version. The only thing that you can't do is like more editing, but if you don't really need to do any editing to do these videos, so that shouldn't be a problem. But you can trim. So I'll show you how to trim too. So I'm just gonna, I'm already logged in, so you just create an account like you'd normally create an account, and I'm just gonna go right away to my videos. It should take me there. So I have one video already, but when you're in videos, you can just go to this launch recorder button, and if you are new to it, it will ask you to download this recorder, which it should just download right away. And it should be pretty secure. I haven't had any problems with anything downloading it. So I'm just going to open Screen Recorder Launcher. It kind of hides sometimes, so you have to kind of wait for it to open. Okay, so this all pops up for you, and it's going to record everything that's in this box here so you can have your whole screen. If you're just working in a Google tab and you just want to stay in the tabs, you can shrink it down to whatever size your tab is or whatever size your window is, and then you should be fine to just switch in between those tabs like I was doing before. So you'd see this, and then you could see this, and that should work just fine. So when you have it to the size that you want it, I'll just have it to the size of my Google window to show you. Then you just start recording. So it's on screen, and then I'm going to hit this record button, and it even gives me a nice timer to count down. And now you just do whatever you need to do in your video. So the only things you're going to see now it's turned red for recording, are in here. So like I can add a new tab, I can go to IXL, wherever. Like I don't know what you want to record, but whatever you want to record. And when you're done, you can still see this timer down in the corner with the pause button, and just click on it. And it'll pause, and then you just say you're done if you're done with the video. So what's next is I'm going to go to edit, just in case you want to shorten anything. And now I'm not recording anymore. So now I have my video. Excuse me. I have my video, and say I want to cut down like a couple seconds in the beginning. And now you just there is a way to trim. Yeah, so I just move this around, and if I wanted to cut up to, like, I want to start at 4 seconds. So, yep, I'm just going to cut. Oh, here we go. I'm going to cut these first 4 seconds. I'm going to get rid of them. And then I have the rest of my video, and it's just going to start from those 4 seconds. So however you want to edit it, it's up to you. Now that I'm done with it, I want to, I'll just put a name. So I'll put how to screencast as my name, and you would choose whatever. And then I'll just go back to recordings, and it should have saved everything. So now I want to upload it to YouTube right away. That's what's kind of nice about this, is you can go right to YouTube. So I'm going to click on it again, and then I'm going to hit this plus button, and now I see YouTube is right here. Now I have to add my YouTube account. So I'm just going to click this launch web browser, and it takes me to all my accounts. I click my school account because that's the YouTube I want it on. And I'm just going to allow whatever it's going to do. Okay, so now I have authorization for my YouTube account. And this is how I publish it. So it has the title of how to screencast. I know already it's going to be public. I can add a description if I want to. I don't really want to, but I could just say it's a how-to video. You can add whatever you want. I don't want to tag it with anything. Yeah, and I just want normal quality. So that's all fine. Publish, and it's gonna go right to YouTube. So I'm just gonna wait for that. And while I'm waiting for that to happen, I'm gonna go to my YouTube account just so I can double check that it's there. Now my YouTube is already attached to my school account, so if I just go down to YouTube, I'm in my account. It's a little slow today. Okay, so I click on my face again. I'm gonna go to my channel. I'm gonna go to my videos. Okay, and I'm just gonna check on this. Okay, and it should be done. And it might take a minute for it to show up. It did take a minute for another one I did to show up. So I'm just gonna refresh my page. And I don't see it yet. I'm gonna refresh again. Try one more. It should be there. It worked a minute ago, so it should work. Great, so now it's there. And it takes a little time for it to upload. So I know the video's there. So what I want to do now is I just want to click on it. I don't need to watch it, but I do want to copy the link so I can put it into a Seesaw activity. So just copy. I'm going to go to Seesaw, and I'm going to go into my class, and I'm going to go to Add Activity. And I just have a little demo activity that I used to test stuff out in. So I'm going to edit it, edit activity, and then I'll just go to add instructions, and I can go to link, and I'll add that link from my video, click the check, and it's right there. So I know that my video will be there, and I know it will take them right to the link. So it should work just fine. I like to go through YouTube just because I know that will always be supported. And if I have my videos recorded in some weird format, I don't know that it's always going to work. But I know that YouTube formats all their videos so that it will work. And then I'll just save my activity, and there it is. So I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, just let me know, and I'll do my best to help you out.